Oh, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and we're doing another unboxing video, and this is one that's, while browsing through Amazon, Ali noticed it and it jumped out at her. Also, all we've got to say on the subject is welcome to the dungeon. Okay, here we are with Welcome to the Jungle. It's a small box, as you might be able to see. Let's get it open and then we can have a proper look at it, shall we? And I've just realised I've not got my reading glasses on, so this could be good. Oh dear. Right, so I'm going to leave it there for a second and I'm just going to go and get my reading glasses. Not be a sec. Right, I've got my glasses. So here we are. It's a game by Masato Uesugi and Paul Maffeyan. It's 2 to 4 players, ages 10 plus, and it lasts for about 30 minutes. So let us have a look at what we get. Well, in fact, what I usually do is look at the back, don't I? First of all. So you all stand at the entrance to the dungeon, but only one will enter. The bravest, the craziest, or maybe just the one who hasn't had a chance to flee yet. To see who has the guts to enter, take turns setting aside equipment or adding monsters to the dungeon. Sorry. Are you tough enough to hit the dungeon, or will you let someone else go down and hope they stay down? Welcome to the Dungeon is a subtle game of chicken. Don't get cold feet, but enjoy icing your opponents. In the box we have 13 monster cards, 4 player aids, 8 success cards, 28 tiles and a rule booklet. So, let's try again, shall we? Here we have the rules booklet. So, here we are. It's a nice little book. See, it looks quite easy. I mean, it fits on the screen, so you can see how big the actual book is. You know, there's lots of nice illustrations in it, and the explanation should be okay. Designer suggests the following variants. During the first turn of the bidding phase, you must add the card you draw to the dungeon. So, there we are. That's the look. And now let's have a look at the cards. Now, these are not your normal cards. These are done on fairly thick punch boards. So we can just go ahead and punch them out, and that's what we have. And this is the equipment for the heroes they will be going through. So here we are. We have a buckler, a mithril armour, healing potion and invisibility cloak. Exactly the same on both sides. We have a warhammer, a torch, a vorpal sword and a dragon spear, and it gives you also the instructions on what they can do underneath. And we have a healing potion, a chainmail, a leather shield and fire axe. And then we have the characters. We've got a barbarian, a warrior, a mage and a rogue. And we have wall of fire, polymorph, ring of power, vorpal dagger. The bracelets of protection, holy grail, omnipotence, demonic pact, and plate armor, night shield, torch and holy grail. And as you can see, they're all color coded, so you can see which of these goes to which hero character. So the purple will go to the mage, the green ones will go to the rogue, the blue ones will go to the warrior, and this orange one will go to the barbarian. So that's all those done. And now we have this set of cards. And this is the dungeon set. So we have these, which are the denizens of the dungeon. The number is how many hit points it takes to kill them. and that is the thing it is weakest to, I believe. So there we are. They're the denizens of the dungeon. I keep saying jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Yeah, you know what I mean. This must be the success cards. There's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have the 4-player 8s. So yeah, the torch will kill goblins. The cup and the torch will kill skeletons. The torch will kill orcs. The cup will kill vampires. The hammer will kill whatever these muppets are. The cup and the cloak will kill this thing. These two. Right, let's have a nosy. What have we got? Right, so the demonic pact, which is that one, is that, and I'm not sure what the Ugis is. The cloak one. Let's have a look. The Holy Grail is the cup. The invisibility cloak. So the Holy Grail and the invisibility cloak will kill that thing. The demonic pact or the invisibility cloak will kill that thing, and the vorpal spear, is it? Or dragon spear, sorry. And the invisibility cloak will kill the dragon. Oh, that's a demon. I'm going to have to look back and see what that one is. Oh, it's a necromancer. I don't know. So that's what they are. So, and then, so you start off on the white side, and if you get killed on your first run, you turn it over to red, and then if you get killed, you're out of the game. That's how it works, as I believe. And then we have that. Welcome back to the dungeon. It's available in stores. So there must be another game of this. We'll have a look and see at some point. But I'm going to pop these back into this little wallet because I want to. So they will go in there. They can sit on the top, and that can go back on. Turn it around, then I can do that. And that's it for this video. So welcome to the dungeon. Hope you've enjoyed it. I have actually bought another game which will be coming hopefully tomorrow. Another unboxing video. What could that be? I wonder. Until then, take care. God bless, and bye for now. Stay safe, everyone.